Welcome to Understand the Math. Let's graph the general tangent function f of x is equal to 2 tangent of 3x. We'll begin by comparing this to f of x is equal to a times tangent of b times x, and we'll make a note that a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. The absolute value of a is going to be equal to 2, and this is our stretching factor. It's greater than 1, so this tangent graph is going to get steeper quicker than the regular tangent graph. Our period is equal to pi divided by absolute value of b, which is pi over 3, and this is our period. Our vertical asymptotes are going to occur at x is equal to pi divided by 2 absolute b plus n pi divided by absolute b. And that's because tangent x has vertical asymptotes at pi over 2 plus n pi. So plugging in our b, this is going to give us asymptotes at pi over 6 plus n pi over 3. So let's make a note. That means our asymptotes are going to be at pi over 6, and then at pi over 6 plus pi over 3, which is pi over 2, and then it'll continue after that. Let's now write our asymptotes on our graph. Our first asymptote is pi over 6, and then our next one occurs at pi over 2. The one to the left of the origin occurs at minus pi over 6, and then the one to the left of that occurs at minus pi over 2. And then the asymptotes extend infinitely to the left and to the right. Let's now graph our function, keeping in mind that it's going to be steeper than our basic tangent function. And our graph repeats. You may want to go to desmos.com and graph the tangent function a times tangent of bx and see how the graph changes when the parameters a and b change. If you want to become more familiar with Desmos, you can go to my website and check out my blog post about it.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.